MoneyGram is a popular mobile app for money transfers, but before you decide to use it, there are 12 things you need to know to make sure it's the right fit for your financial needs. Stick around till the end, and we'll compare it to some competitors to give you a full picture. First off, MoneyGram is widely used for sending and receiving money across borders. One of the app's biggest strengths is its global reach. With over 200 countries and territories supported, you can send money almost anywhere in the world. This is a key advantage over other apps that have limited international services. Next thing, the app is designed with simplicity in mind. The user interface is intuitive, making it easy to send money to friends and family, even if you're not tech savvy. While other money transfer apps like Western Union can feel a bit cluttered, MoneyGram keeps it straightforward. The third thing to note is fees. MoneyGram charges a transfer fee based on the destination, the amount being sent, and the payment method you use. In some cases, the fees can be higher than competitors like PayPal or Revolut, especially for international transfers. So, it's worth comparing before you make a decision. Now let's talk about exchange rates. MoneyGram is not the most competitive when it comes to currency conversions. Unlike some apps that offer mid-market rates, MoneyGram adds a margin, which can make transfers a bit more expensive. The fifth thing to consider is payment options. With MoneyGram, you can pay via debit or credit card, bank transfer, or even cash at one of their agent locations. While many other apps rely solely on digital payments, this cash option is a big benefit for those who prefer in-person transactions. Next thing, the app provides cash pickup services. This means your recipient can collect the funds in cash, which adds flexibility. However, if you're looking for an entirely digital solution, apps like Venmo or Zelle might be better suited. The seventh thing is security. MoneyGram uses encryption to protect your transactions, which is standard practice across the industry. However, compared to apps like Wise, MoneyGram has faced more fraud-related complaints in the past, so it's important to stay cautious and verify the recipient details carefully. The eighth thing you need to know is customer support. While MoneyGram does offer 24/7 support, some users report slower response times compared to apps like TransferWise, which is known for its more responsive service. Keep this in mind if you value quick assistance. The ninth thing is that MoneyGram provides a rewards program. By using the app for transfers, you can earn rewards that can be redeemed for discounts on future transactions. This is a nice bonus that many competitors don't offer, though it may not offset higher transfer fees. The 10th thing is the app's tracking feature. MoneyGram allows you to track your transaction in real time, which is great for peace of mind. This feature is also offered by many competitors, but MoneyGram's tracking process is fairly reliable and easy to use. The 11th thing is the app's speed. While MoneyGram transfers are generally fast, some international transfers can take a few hours or even a day, depending on the payment method. If speed is a top priority, services like PayPal may be a better option for instant transfers. Lastly, MoneyGram has a mobile wallet feature, which allows you to store funds in the app for future transactions. However, it's not as versatile as mobile wallets from competitors like Revolut or even Google Pay, which offer a more comprehensive range of financial services. In conclusion, MoneyGram is a solid option for sending money internationally, especially if you need a service with global reach and flexible payment options. But if you're looking for lower fees, better exchange rates, or faster transfers, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free today.